Hi guys and welcome to Salim's Kitchen. In today's video, my two beautiful daughters who are also my two junior chefs will be making samosa pastry for beginners and first-time samosa makers. So guys, if they can make it, so can you.
Half a cup of cake wheat flour, a pinch of salt, 50 milliliters of water. This is lukewarm water, which is tap water. Mix and form a stiff dough. If the dough is a bit sticky, simply add dry flour. Knead dough well for 1 minute. After kneading well for 1 minute, turn dough into a disc. Cut dough into 4 equal pieces. Turn pieces into round balls. Now turn round balls into discs. Always keep it covered with a dry cloth. Work with 1 disc at a time, keeping the rest covered. Roll out disc a little using your fingers. Add some dry flour on both the sides. Now let's roll a saucer-sized roti. Always dust your rolling pin with dry flour. So there you have it, a saucer-sized roti rolled by me. Apply some dry flour on the table. Set your roti on top of the dry flour, keeping it covered with a dry cloth. The next roti will be rolled by me. Once your rotis are all rolled out, now we're going to oil and layer the rotis. Use normal cooking oil, which is vegetable oil. Now we are gonna roll out the layered rotis. Roll out the layered roti a little using your fingers. Apply flour on both the sides. Now roll out layered rotis to a plate size. The layered roti was rolled out by me, and I think I did a fantastic job. Set your layered rotis on a plate. Toast in microwave for 40 seconds on both sides. 40 seconds, turn around and toast again for another 40 seconds. After the final 40 seconds, the pastry is now ready. Let's shape the pastry and cut off the rough edges. Cut your pastry in 3 equal pieces. Now let's separate the pastry. After you separate them, cover them in a damp cloth. There you have it, guys. Beautiful pastry made by us. So guys, if we can do it, so can you. So guys, please give the simple recipe a try. Please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Be safe. Until our next video, peace out.